Good morning, my beautiful friends. How are we this morning? I am Renee. I am your Wanderlust Oracle, and I am here to bring you messages you don't know you need. So, how are we feeling this morning? I'm going to make this short. We're going to do a card draw. I'm listening. Off the top or from the middle? Off the top. It's a good one. You guys, prosperity lies ahead. We are in it. We are so in it. We can't go back. We can't deny it. We can't unsee. We can't unknow. We're in it. And there is nothing but, what I'm hearing is opportunity, prosperity, all of the things, all of the good things. We're in it. And we just have to keep, we just have to keep following our heart and opening up even more than you already are. We just have to continue, right? We just have to move forward. I'm listening. You guys, prosperity lies ahead. So exciting. So exciting. Okay, so I just wanted to come on here and do that and tell you that I hope you have the most magicalist day in the whole world, in the whole universe. I want you to have the most magicalist day. Okay? I love you. Bye.